Samsung Next is basically the software and services innovation arm for Samsung. We have really good deep roots in hardware, and we do hardware really well, but we want to try to get better at software and services, and we want a thoughtful integration of the two. So Samsung Next is going to where software and services innovation is happening, and it's really happening with a lot of startups. And so we're working with startups, helping them. And by helping and working with startups, we hope to bring some of the software and services innovation that they have into Samsung. We do this in a lot of different ways. If you are just looking to develop a great product, you can come in and develop products with Samsung Next. But if you're an early stage company and you want venture capital funding, we have a venture group that provides venture funding, and that's the team that I run. In addition to that, we also have a partnerships team if you want to just simply have a partnership. And then of course we have an M&A team if you want to exit with Samsung and scale globally with Samsung. We can help you to do that too. So we work with startups and we help startups and we engage with startups at all levels of development from early to late. So one of the great examples of how we bring all of these groups together to bring success to the startups as well as to Samsung is a company called Looppick, a small company out in Boston that was innovating around payments. We made an investment in that company in the Series A, led that round, and introduced them to our mobile business units. The mobile business unit really got very interested in payments through the phone. And decided to work very closely with the company and ultimately wanted to acquire the company. So that's when our M&A team stepped in and acquired the company, and now it's the basis for Samsung Pay. So that was a great success for us as well as for the startup company that we invested in. The venture team at Samsung, we focus on early stage companies. So we do investments from seed through Series B, investments anywhere from $250,000 all the way up to $3 million at a time. I think the thing that we pride ourselves on most is what we do after the investment. We work very hard to bring collaboration and partnership opportunities to our portfolio companies. There are no guarantees, but we certainly make every effort to put those companies in front of the right people at the right time at Samsung.